Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's trade 10 contracts instead of 4. We got our 3 in. We have our P&L set for 50, I think it was 5,200 or so, 53. I think it was 54. I don't remember. Actually, let's go up here and we'll look, see what our P&L is. We got 5,200 and 8,000 stop loss, and we hit 3 in a row. You hit 3 good trades in a row, and that is all you need. So $5,570, that is our 50% rule. Remember, 50% rule, that's how we do it. Whatever your total trade is, if you got 10 contracts, that's $10,000. So you're looking to make $5,000. So this bot will no longer run, even if we don't have it on unpause like this. It won't trade anymore because the P&L has it shut off. So you can run a bot, and as soon as it hits the maximum target, whether it be a take profit or a stop loss, then it will shut itself off. So that's how we did. So I'm going to give you a gander at something we're making, and I'll have it done today. It's a new indicator that I'm building, and I'm going to build the bot for it too because it has been very good. So I'm going to go back here. I know there's a lot on the screen, but this one right here, the first trade was $2,675 max. I'm not saying you would have got that, but that's the max profit you could have gotten. The second trade was $680 max. The third trade was $1,325 max. The fourth trade was $1,070 max. The fifth trade was $650 max. And the next trade was $1,005. Then we had $690. Now I haven't figured this over here, but actually I'll tell you what. Let me do it real quick. Like magic, there it is. That is the next trades that it would have taken. And to give you an idea here, I don't know if we said the 691, but here's the 230. Then we have a 620, and then we have a 710, a 315, a 600, and a 725. Those are the trades it would have entered, and now the target would not have been that. I'm just showing you what the maximum amount of money that you could have got if you rode the whole trade out to the very tick, which we all know you can't get the exact tick, so this is varies. But it gives you an idea of let's just say that every time it trades you go for $300 or $400, something like that. Then you only need really 2 trades. If you went with $250 per trade, which you can see that all of these are more than that except for this one. But if you went for $250 per trade on each time it entered, then you run 2 trades and you'd be done for the day. You get your 50%. 50%, that's the key to trading. That's how you keep from over trading. You just want to go in, get your 50%, and then move on. That's where are you going to make $500 a day on $1,000? Where can you make that kind of money? And if 500 isn't enough, do 2 contracts, do $2,000 trade, and make $1,000. So it's just a matter of what your risk management is and what kind of an account you have. There is very little drawdown on these trades, and as of today, there hasn't been one losing trade, not one. So the only one that would have been maybe, but you could have done a break even, is this $230. You wouldn't have got your $250, but you would have got more. You could have got break even on it or whatever you wanted to do, ever how you wanted to follow it up. I'm going to have this indicator done today, and you can run it on any chart that you want, and it will just automatically find what it needs. And then once you do that, and we get everything working good and making sure the indicator's fine, I'm going to build the bot for it, and the bot will just trade it. So you can put this on whatever time frame you want, and it will just automatically know what to do. And so that's how it's all going to work. So anyway, that's up and coming. I think I have been looking at this, back testing, looking at the results for quite a while. There's some days that it would have like 10 winners and maybe 4 losers. And again, it all depends on what your profit target is. But 10 winners and 4 losers. That's still pretty good. So what's about 65, 70%. I'm not doing my math in my head that good, but that's what it's about. But yeah, again, you're not looking to run it all day. You're only looking to get 2 trades. If you can get 2 winning trades, just shut it off and go about living your life. So how do you do this? How do you get started? You go to spymoneyllc.com, go up here to the Ninja Suite, you click on that, and there's going to be a short video that you can watch, or you can choose not to. And it will tell you kind of what we do. It tells you a little bit about the program. And then if you come on down here, you'll see that we have auto trading bots. There's 4 of them, soon to be 5, and that one is going to be called Flipper. Spybot Flipper. That's what it's called because it flips the trades. And then we have a bunch of indicators. Flipper will be in this as well. Then we have add-ons and drawing tools, toolbar, a bunch of different drawing tools. Here's frequently asked questions. Read this before you send me a question because it's probably answered right here. Probably is. I can always tell who doesn't read that. Read through these 14 items. If you don't agree to them, don't send this. Because when you send this, that means you agree to it. You're going to left click and copy all of this. And once you copy it, you're going to go up to the contact us. Now the reason I do this is because a lot of people say, well, I didn't know that or this or that. And this way, you do know it. I've got proof that you know it. So you're going to go ahead and put in your first name, last name, email, and phone number. If you don't have this information, I will not send you a link. And then you right click, click paste, and then you submit it. Once you submit it, then I will get it, and then I will look it over, and if everything is good, then we'll get you added in. I don't add everybody. I want everybody to know that. Just because you want in don't mean you get in. We're in this to stay small and do well. If you don't have the money to trade and you want a prop account, they supply the money for you. 4 different ones here we recommend. They're all really good. Just click on each one of these, read through them. The rules change nonstop, so I don't even try to keep up anymore. I think most people are using, I tell you what, these 3 right here, most people are using. I would say that of all of them, there's probably more people using Apex than any of them. They all have their problems. They all have their rules and so forth. The best way to do it is, in my opinion, is start a live account. Even if it's $500, you can run 1 micro. You don't have to have a lot of money to do this. If you make $65 a day, your lease is paid for. So anything over $65 is your money. And as you can see, we can go back here and look. It doesn't take long to make money. Just out of curiosity here, right here's another winner. Right there's a winner. So there's 1, and right here would have been a loser, and this one right here would still be in the trade. So we had another winner right here, so that would have been another, what is that? Roughly $2,000 more, a little under $2,000 that you could have made right here. Actually, it would have been $1,000. So is that right? 1, 2, 3, no. Be almost $2,000 right here that we would have made. But this next one was a loser. So, what we want to do is we just want to hit our goal and quit. That's how we do it. So here's a prop firm that you can do if you don't have a good enough computer. Go up here to VPS, and you can get a VPS. Now, if you want to trade from your phone or a tablet, then you're going to need a VPS. You can't do that remotely with your desktop at home. Now, you could take your laptop with you, of course, but if you want to trade, say you're a traveling salesperson or you work construction or whatever and you want to run bots, but you can have your phone there to where you can watch it, then this will be the way to do it. So you go in there. This medium is all you need if you're just going to run 1 bot. If you're going to run more programs and stuff, you need to get a better package. But just let me know if you have any questions. Again, you go up here to the Ninja Suite and just watch this video right here. And down here we've got some different videos with the coaster and so forth. These are older videos, but still the same stuff. You can watch and see how it kind of works and so forth and go over them. And if you have any questions, let me know. Until then, we will see you later, and wish you the best in trading. And again, we teach manual trading and bot trading. So just let us know how we can help, and we get you started today. Have a great day.